heyitsfei. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another haul from LIPHOP YESSTYLE. Also, just a quick disclaimer. I know that it looks like I spend a lot of money on YESSTYLE. YESSTYLE actually gives influencers coupons to redeem. So it's technically not my money. I just want to be transparent. You guys can use my code to purchase on YESSTYLE if you guys want. And no, I don't make money off of the code. However, my links are affiliated. So if you want to use my links to purchase some of these items, feel free to. I'd appreciate it. I make like 5 cents from it, so. Anyway, all the links are down below just to make your life easier because I know searching on YESSTYLE can be a train wreck. Look what came in! This is gonna be a quick haul of LIPHOP clothes. Can I just like say, I was the one who started the LIPHOP trend, okay? Me just wanting credit. If you don't own anything in LIPHOP, I'm gonna change your mind. So this is a set, and you guys know me, I love sets. This is a cropped velvet top with a drawstring sweatpants, and I'm so excited. Oh, we have shoulder pads today. Oh wait, if you're not aware, which I'm sure most of you guys are, these are quote, one-size-fit-all clothing items. Per usual, as a disclaimer, we know that the sizes in Asia differ from the sizes in America. So a medium in America is like an extra small in Asia. As a medium girl, a short, stubby medium girl, I love trying on their one sizes to actually see So here we are, trying these one size Korean style clothes. This is a Korean brand, by the way, and the shoulder pads should be banana split between my shoulders. Oh, look at this top. Cal, I don't like the shoulder pad. Your girl already got broad shoulders. Why are we enhancing that? Okay, so these are wide leg sweatpants. Oh gosh, they're long. Oh my god, they have pockets. It's actually so comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit intimidated because I thought that this velvet will enhance my tummy and make me look like I'm 2 months preggy or 3 pregnant. It's not too bad. I mean, so these are the pants. Wow. I feel like if you're like 5'4", 5'5", it'd be perfect on you because I'm 5 feet and I have room to grow. Look at this. Well, it crops right here so you see a little tummy peekaboo. Oh my god, the shoulder pad. I guess it's there because it is so velvety. Look at, there's like no structure to this. So the shoulder pads kind of just help form shape up here, but I don't need it. I already have my own shape, so I'm gonna cut it out. I do like how cooling this is on the inside. It's not velvet. Do I have a butt in this? Does it look like my butt, girl? You guys know LIPHOP never disappoints when it comes to their set game. They always have comfy clothes that looks like you didn't try too hard, but you still look so put together. This is a balloon sleeve slim dress hoodie. So basically a hoodie with a dress attached to it, and the sleeves are very baggy and large. Honestly, I didn't feel really confident to do this haul today because like I've just been so bloated. But then I was like, that's the perfect time to try on clothes though. Normally, all of us, we bloat. It's not like we're always gonna not be filled with gas, okay? Oh, it is actually super comfortable. However, again, I told you guys I'm not that confident today. Here's the dress. My muffin top says hi. Hi. So I feel like you can see a lot. Like even in this area, I just feel like you can see a lot. My lady parts. Okay, TMI, but am I the only girl who has like a thick lady part? I'm sorry, I'm saying this, but I can't wear leggings. You know how I was complaining about how my jeans don't look right in that area? She look thick. Am I the only one? This just amplifies it and I'm not comfy. Like how do you get rid of chubs right there? That's what we're gonna call it, chubs. Chubs is always there, why? It literally is one piece, so just slip it on and zip. It does have a tightening effect around the waist area and bottom and then a little loose up here, but I can't tell if that's because it's small and it's just tight or if it's like meant to be tightening. Like, is it intentional? Are you purposely tightening me up, or is it because I'm a little thick for you? Either way, really cute though. I love the bell sleeve. And it's not a heavy hoodie. For something so light to hold up a nice bell sleeve, like what? Oh my god. Streetwear. If you have like some white kicks, throw it on. A cute little bag. Linda. Even my little booty says hi. Dude, I just realized this haul is gonna be super short. So here is the next item. It's just a gray knitted sweater and it has the same balloon sleeve, except this is a little bit more like my kind of gray. Wow, I feel free. This is cute. I would totally... I love how loose and bouncy it is. Like, it's nicely cropped. Oh my god. You can zip it up high, but when I do, it looks like I have a long chest, so I like to just kind of open it up, you know. Look at the balloon sleeves and look how cropped it is. Perfect for my short torso. I love how this cuffs around the wrist. So much more like movement. Stop. Look how big this hoodie is. Like I can hide. Sweet Caroline. Bum, bum, bum.
And a little bit of spice.
If you're not having fun in your hoodie, then it's not a hoodie. Don't be mad, Caroline, that your hoodie's not a Linda. She came in clutch, okay? I have this bag with me. Oh, by the way, can we just like admire how chunky the sleeves are for my Linda hoodie? Thank you very much. I guess I just wanted a small black bag. Oh my gosh, I love... Okay, normally bags that are chain detail like this has no way of adjustment, right? It may look short and tiny to you, but it fits me perfectly because how perfect length this bag is. Get this if you're 5 foot. You can still wear this if you're taller because I think the style of wearing this is to have it kind of high up anyway, like this. Don't feel discriminated. All heights included, all ages. Here's a little trick if you're a little thickety thick. Yeah, me, you have a tummy. I love wearing bags and like kind of like hiding my tummy behind it. I know that stems from like insecurity issues, but now it's fashion advice. Because this is horizontal, I kind of like to hide my tummy with my bag. It has this pleather diamond detail. Wait, what's pleather? What does pleather mean? It sounded classy. You can always carry it around like this. Phone sized. You can just throw your ID on the zipper side, put your cards here, or just carry like a small wallet like how I do. Your phone and a lipstick and a mirror, or you don't even need a mirror because like you should be smart and use a phone case mirror. I am lazy and less is more. Why are you making life hard for yourself? Take my advice and you won't regret it. So I bought these skirts like a couple months back when I was a little bit more confident. This is a skirt that says Odd One Out, and I just realized it's copying the real Odd One Out brand from Korea. They just threw this order in because, okay, listen, this is from a different store on YESSTYLE, but you just don't know what you're gonna get. You don't know if your order's gonna come together separately, mixed. Just gonna throw it into this haul because I have like 3 things left, so. Okay, so ignore the pouch, the chubs. Girl code. This is the skirt and it's actually pretty stretchy if you see here. It has these 2 drawstrings on the side right here. Pull it up and tie it. Scandalous. Listen, for a week and a half now I've been eating at least a cookie or 2 every day with milk because it's Christmas. Well, oh, by the time you watch this, happy Thanksgiving. I love you guys. I just threw you guys a na-na-na-na. My belly has grown significantly. And it shows. You know, it's so hard because, okay, like we're gonna get deep real fast, but love your body for what it is, never be ashamed of it. But when I know I'm feeding my body not the best choices, I just feel so guilty. I'm still learning to just, you know, accept it regardless. And that takes a lot of patience and time. Anyway, that was the skirt. I took it off. I do really like how you can customize it with the drawstrings on the side. And trust me, I'm gonna be a bad bitch and I'm gonna feel confident in it soon. A mental thing where I'm not feeling confident, so I don't feel my best. It's like having to retrain your brain, and that takes a lot of time and patience.
Speaking of that,
here goes the black version. Just slipped it on, do the same thing, tie it on the edge, and that's the black one. Diagonal feeling with a little side ruffle. Like, it's cute. This black one is still very wearable. So this is also not a LIPHOP purchase. Oh, I don't want to take out my window, honey. Is this like the tightest tank top you've ever seen me in or what? My arm is gonna like fall off. This strap is cute, however, it's so coming from a short girl. It is short. My circulation's being cut. You see how tight it is? It comes with this open cut, so it creates a strap right here. Very like K-pop-esque in my opinion. I feel like it's digging into my shoulder blade. Your girl don't have much of a shoulder blade. It's so tight. The cookies I've been eating for 2 weeks now is spilling over. So tight on the chesties. Can you even Yeah, you can tell, right? She's strapped in. It just makes me look so heavy on top. This is really cute though. I really love this open cut concept. Look how tight it is, look. My back is growing a back. Big boobie girls, I'm sorry to report. This is not it, chief. I mean, if you're comfortable, then that's your choice. If this tank was actually bigger, it would have been so cute because you guys know how I love my small straps, but it's just a little too suffocating and I do not choose to be suffocated today. Today, I choose the right to breathe. And this, you guys, is our last piece of this haul. I approve of everything I bought today. Sturdy, sassy. This is from LIPHOP. Oh man. Here is a bodycon dress. It says LIPHOP and has butterfly. Oh my gosh, I bought this because of the hoodie. Very on trend, street lazy style. Oh, you think I'ma fit into this? This is one size. Yo, my arms can't even. I'm sad because I really thought for a second that I was. This doesn't fit my head. I'm so sad. We'll make it work. Oh my god. I'm gonna need a chainsaw to get me out of this. I can't do it. It's stuck. You know what? Gather, gather, gather. Pep talk time. Faye, your body and worth is not determined by one size. Bish, I'ma fit the hoodie. This is the back. We can't be mad at ourselves. It's okay. I shouldn't fit myself into this standard. I have to accept the fact that I'm never gonna be this size. And by no means am I shaming any body type. If you are this size or my size or bigger or smaller, don't let a dress size determine whether you are skinny enough. I get to choose whether or not I want to make this a goal into I want to fit into that dress size and I'm gonna work for it. I'm not gonna pout and I'm not gonna degrade myself. Or I can say, hey, that's just not realistic for my body shape and my body type, my mental health. I can try and be the closest I can to it, but that's if I don't degrade myself. You have options and you get to choose whether you fit in the box, whether you want to fit in the box, whether you choose to fit in the box, or whether you create your own box. I know that in the beginning of this haul, especially trying on this skirt, I was saying how I'm not confident, I don't really want to show you guys. I felt that since the beginning of this week. And today's what, Thursday when you're watching this, but Wednesday when I'm filming this, and it's okay. Some weeks I feel better, some weeks I don't, and we all go through that roller coaster. Okay, I know this is a haul, so I'm not gonna like keep going on about this, but I feel like it's time to sit down and have an update about body image, but not today. Anyway, that is the end of this haul, and I know that it was quite short in terms of the clothing items I had, but don't worry, hauls are not gonna stop, so I'll update you guys when I have more clothes. Regardless of how I personally felt towards some of these clothing items, I don't dislike it, so I'm gonna leave the links down below if you guys want to check it out. But again, the whole point of me making these hauls is to show you guys the size difference and how clothes in Asia fit people like me in the Western world. Make sure to like this video if you guys want to have a girl talk. That was kind of serious. And subscribe. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.